In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add passcode lock on the FxPro application. This enhances security by preventing unauthorized access to your trading account and sensitive financial data. To do this, simply head to your FxPro application. You want to tap on More at your right bottom. Now on the Settings page, head to Security Settings. Head to Face ID. You want to enter in your preferred passcode. Go ahead and re-enter your passcode. It will automatically get you enabled. You can proceed by turning on this other option of Face ID if you wish to. Now if you close the application, when you try to reopen it once again, you will be required to enter a passcode. This adds an extra layer of defense beyond your login credentials, ensuring that only you can access and manage your investments securely. Well, that's how easy it is to add passcode to FxPro. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.